IOTA moves to Rebased Protocol in 2 weeks, its most technical upgrade yet. Layer 1 blockchain network IOTA is poised for a significant transformation with the imminent launch of its highly anticipated Rebased Protocol, scheduled for activation on Monday, May 5, 2025. This monumental upgrade marks the official migration from the existing Stardust network to the novel IOTA network, representing what the project's core team describes as the chain's largest, most complex, and most important upgrade to date. The move to Rebased is set to introduce a suite of critical protocol features designed to dramatically enhance the network's capabilities, positioning IOTA for a new era of scalability, decentralization, and utility. Among the cornerstone features immediately available upon launch is the integration of the Mysticeti consensus protocol. This advanced consensus mechanism is expected to propel the IOTA network towards unprecedented levels of scalability and transaction speed. According to the development team, the implementation of Mysticeti will enable the chain to achieve throughput exceeding 50,000 transactions per second (TPS) and achieve transaction finality in under 500 milliseconds. These performance metrics are a direct result of the protocol's design, aimed at handling high volumes of activity essential for enterprise-level adoption and complex decentralized applications. Complementing the consensus layer, IOTA Rebased introduces the integration of smart contracts directly onto the Layer 1 base layer, leveraging the Move programming language. This strategic decision positions IOTA as one of the few networks, alongside established players like Sway and Aptos, to offer the Move virtual machine, Move VM, at the base protocol level. The adoption of Move is intended to provide developers with a secure, expressive, and robust environment for building sophisticated, scalable, and secure decentralized applications (dApps). The Move language, initially developed at Meta, formerly Facebook, for the DM project, is known for its focus on secure asset management and formal verification capabilities, which are crucial for critical applications in finance and other sensitive sectors. The Rebased upgrade also brings a refined approach to transaction fees, implementing minimal fees combined with an adaptive fee-burning mechanism. This design aims to keep transaction costs low for users while introducing a mechanism to manage token supply and potentially add deflationary pressure over time. Furthermore, a notable innovation is the introduction of the new IOTA gas station. This feature is specifically designed to allow developers and businesses to subsidize or completely cover the transaction fees for their users. The practical implication of the gas station is significant for user adoption, as it enables individuals to interact with the IOTA network and execute transactions without the need to hold IOTA tokens themselves, removing a common barrier to entry for new users and facilitating broader application usage. A pivotal shift towards greater decentralization is also a hallmark of the Rebased upgrade, as the Layer 1 network will transition to a fully decentralized delegated proof-of-stake (DPoS) network. This move away from the previously more centralized structure represents a critical step in enhancing the network's resilience and community participation. The DPoS network will initially launch with 50 permissionless validator slots, with a clear roadmap for a gradual increase to over 150 validators. This phased approach allows for a stable initial rollout while progressively increasing the number of independent entities responsible for securing the network and validating transactions. The initial set of IOTA Rebased Genesis validators includes a diverse group of organizations and staking providers, such as the IOTA Foundation, IOTA Ecosystem DLT Foundation, Tangle Ecosystem Association, DLT Green, P2P, Luganotes, Twinstake, Kiln, Staken, Nansen, Blockscope, DIC/Coinage, and StateTab, signaling broad support and participation from key ecosystem players from the outset. The implementation of the Rebased upgrade follows a rigorous process that included a comprehensive governance vote, extensive technical testing, thorough reviews, and independent audits. This multi-stage validation process underscores the team's commitment to ensuring the stability and security of the network before the migration. As previously reported, the IOTA community overwhelmingly supported the Rebased Protocol upgrade proposal in a governance vote held in December. During this vote, the IOTA Foundation detailed the technical necessity and benefits of the proposed changes, explaining that the blockchain would switch from its existing Layer 1 architecture to a Move-based object ledger, a proposal that garnered strong approval from token holders, demonstrating community alignment with the strategic direction of the project. Beyond the substantial technical enhancements, the Rebased upgrade introduces a feature long awaited by the IOTA community: staking rewards. This marks the first time in the project's history that IOTA token holders will have the opportunity to earn native staking rewards directly from the protocol. The introduction of staking is designed to provide tangible utility for the IOTA token and create a powerful incentive for token holders to actively participate in securing the network. By staking their tokens, holders contribute to the network's security and decentralization and are rewarded for their efforts through the protocol's issuance mechanism. The upgrade is set to offer an attractive annual percentage yield, APY, for staking, estimated to be in the range of 10% to 15%. This competitive yield is expected to encourage significant participation from the IOTA token holder base, further strengthening the network security posture and distributing validation responsibilities across a wider pool of participants. The IOTA team emphasizes that the official migration to the new IOTA Rebased Protocol represents a pivotal advancement in the project's history, strategically positioning it to attract significant new adoption and facilitate the development and deployment of a wide range of applications within the ecosystem. The enhanced capabilities and the introduction of staking are seen as key enablers for onboarding institutional investors and potentially even sovereign entities or countries onto the IOTA network for various high-impact use cases. These target applications include tokenization of real-world assets, digitization of trade processes, streamlining of trade finance operations, and the creation of secure and verifiable digital identities. Furthermore, IOTA aims to foster the growth of a vibrant Web3 ecosystem on the Rebased network. The enhanced throughput, low fees, and smart contract capabilities are expected to facilitate the development of advanced applications such as decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, on-chain order book exchanges, sophisticated supply chain management systems, and reliable stablecoins. These applications represent key building blocks for a comprehensive decentralized economy and are central to IOTA's vision for the future of distributed ledger technology. In the context of this major upcoming upgrade, the market performance of the IOTA token, MIOTA, remains a point of interest for investors. As of the latest available data, IOTA is trading at approximately $0.1727. The token has seen modest positive movement in the short term, showing a 1% increase over the past day and a 6% gain over the past week. However, looking at longer timeframes, IOTA has experienced declines, being down 6% over the past month and 29% over the past year. This performance is also viewed against the backdrop of its historical price trajectory. The coin reached its all-time high of $5.25 in December 2017, meaning it has decreased by a substantial 96.7% since that peak. The market will be closely watching the rollout of the Rebased upgrade and its subsequent impact on network activity, adoption, and ultimately, the value of the IOTA token.